Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of watercolor and painting a summer landscape together. In this tutorial, I'll reveal the secrets to creating light and shadow effects and natural textures. If you enjoyed today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. The colors used will be announced during the video and can be found in the description. Be sure to download the line drawing on Blogger, link in the description. Use a watercolor mask to create some waves in the sea. We'll start with the sky and sea. To do this, we'll work with the wet eye technique. We'll start with cerulean blue in the sky to enhance the effect, tilting the canvas slightly. At the junction between the sea and sky, we'll leave a very light tone. In the sea, we'll use ultramarine blue in the farthest part, and as we get closer to the sand, we'll use a lighter turquoise blue. Once dry, we apply a little more watercolor mask onto the waves. When the mask dries, we repeat the process in the sea. On the sand, we'll paint the entire area with light ochre. While the paint is still wet, we'll create the textures. Use the tip of the brush and gradually apply a little raw sienna pigment. In the areas where I want shadows, I'll use burnt sienna to create the sand texture. In the area around the edge of the main image, we'll intensify the shading using the tip of the brush with burnt umber. I'll apply this mixture randomly on the sand to create the appearance of disturbed sand. In the book, we'll use light ochre on the pages and burnt sienna to create the writing details. For the skin, use a mixture of red light, chrome yellow, and azure. To create a more golden tone, use a little more red.
Initially, I used this mixture very diluted all over the skin, and then use the same mixture less diluted where I want the shadows. For the hat, I used a very diluted Petersburg ochre and then added the same color to other areas to create a light shadow. Mix a little blue into the Petersburg ochre and apply it to the darkest areas. Then mix in a little red to add it to the areas where the light reflects off the sand. Download or buy my books on Amazon. They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers. The purchase link is in the video description. I used burnt umber to make the hat ribbon. I used azure for the blanket. For the shadow area, mix a little Prussian blue. Remove the mask from the waves. If you need to add more white foam details, use white acrylic paint or a white pen. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own art. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another weekly video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.